evening to all. Today we are going to see about the topic on protein. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass. It is commonly found in animal products, though is also present in other sources such as nuts and legumes. There are three macronutrients: protein, fat and carbohydrates. Macronutrients provide calories or energy. Composition of protein. The common property of all protein is that they consist of long chains of alpha amino. The alpha amino acids are so called because the alpha carbon atom in the molecule carries an amino group. The alpha carbon matter also carries a carboxyl group. A protein molecule is very large compared with molecules of sugar or salt and consists of many amino acids joined together to form long chains. Much as beads are arranged on a string, there are about 20 different amino acids that occur naturally in protein. Protein of similar function have similar amino acid composition and sequence. Although it is not possible to explain of all the functions of a protein from its amino acid sequence, established correlation between structure and function can be attributed to the properties of an amino acids that compose protein. Next one is function of protein. Protein has many roles in your body. It helps repair and build your body tissues, allows metabolic reaction to take place and coordinates body function. In addition to providing your body with a structural framework, proteins also maintain proper pH and fluid balance. Building tissues and muscles. Protein is necessary in building and repairing body tissues, hormone production, enzymes, immune function, energy. Evolution of protein quality. Evolution of protein quality with the PDCAAS approach measures the protein metabolic effectiveness at a dietary intake that meets minimum requirements. By these measures, protein requirements are low compared with most nutritionally complete habitual diets. PU, net protein utilization. The values NPU, net protein utilization. This value is divided by the amount of protein consumed as the NPU, which is defined as the percentage of the dietary protein retained. NPU is better nutritional index than biological value. Net protein utilization can be calculated as NPU equal to nitrogen retained by nitrogen absorbed into 100. PER, protein efficiency ratio, is based on the weight gain of test subject divided by its intake of a particular food protein. Next one is BV, biological value, is a measure of a proportion of absorbed protein from your food which becomes incorporated into the proteins of the organism body. Chemical score. Chemical score, a measure of protein quality based on chemical analysis of its amino acid composition. A dictionary of food and nutrition chemical score. One method for assessing dietary protein quality by determining a diet chemical score. The ratio of a gram of the limiting amino acids in a test diet to the same amount of the corresponding amino acids. Mutual and amino supplementation of protein. Mutual supplementation is when two incomplete protein are combined to form a complete protein. For example, combining a legume and a grain like beans and rice. And next one is mutual supplementation. Proteins from different plant sources may be combined in such a way the deficiency of an essential amino acid in one protein is compensated by the adequate amount of the same in another protein. Thank you for watching my video.